Hey there, today we're going to look at how to undo changes on a selected element in Webflow. So let's get started. First, head over to Webflow's website. Over here, either sign up or log in. If you don't have an account, you can create one using your email and password or log in with your Google account. After that, you'll be on the Webflow dashboard where all your projects are managed. Then go to the Sites section in your dashboard. Navigate through your available sites and click Open Site for the project you want to work on. With your site open, locate the element where you make changes. In Webflow, recent changes on an element like width or color are highlighted in blue. Hover over the element to see the highlighted changes. Then select the option to reset those changes. This will bring the element back to its previous state without affecting other parts of your design. After that, it's important to publish the site. Find the Publish button at the top of the page and click it. When prompted, choose the correct domain where you want your site updated. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.